Welcome to English with Unknown. If you want to improve your English, stay here. Let's get started. Phrase 1.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Damn it!
How is it going?
How's it going?
How's it going? Is it good?
How's it going?
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 It means, how are you? Example, Teddy. Hi, Markle. How's it going? Markle, fine. Phrase 2.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet 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 you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
It means, I am happy to see you. Example, Katie. My name is Katie. Nice to meet you. Alice. My name is Alice. Nice to meet you too. Phrase 3.
What's up? What up? What up? What up?
What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up? What is up, society? Lorraine, what is up? What is up?
Hey, what is up?
What is it? What's up?
It means, hi or how are you? Example, big fella. What's up, guys? Guys, fine. Phrase 4.
Long time no see.
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 It means, I haven't seen you for a long time. Example, Amelia. Hi, long time no see. Sophia. Hello, how are you? Phrase 5.
I really appreciate it.
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 I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
It means, thank you, I respect it. Example, Isla. Thank you for everything, I really appreciate it. Ava, you are so welcome. Phrase 6.
You are welcome.
You are welcome.
Oh, welcome.
You are 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 welcome.
It means, I am happy to help you, or I am always happy with you. Example, Dad, you are welcome. I really appreciate you. Me, thank you. Phrase 7.
Catch you later. Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Catch you later. Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
It used to say goodbye when you expect to see or speak to the person again. Example, Mark, I'll catch you later, Jay. Okay. Phrase 8.
Piece of cake.
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 It means that it is very easy to do. Example, Mark, it is just a piece of cake. David, yes, it is so. Phrase 9.
It's because you knew it cost me a fucking arm and a leg.
Arm and a leg, Mom. This campaign is costing us an arm and a leg.
Yeah, it's gonna cost an arm and a leg. You take.
Must have cost you an arm and a leg, huh?
It's cost me an arm and a fucking leg.
That'll cost you an arm and a leg.
Which costs us an arm and a leg to rent, and no.
Even if it costs me an arm and a leg.
This is cost y'all an arm and a leg, huh?
It means that it costs too much. Example, Theo, I can't buy it because it costs too much. Jack, I can buy it. Phrase 10.
Under the weather.
Under the weather.
Yeah, heard you were under the weather.
You under the weather too?
Kind of under the weather.
Little man's under the weather.
Charlotte, your friend feeling a little under the weather?
He's a little under the weather.
I am just feeling under the weather.
It means feeling sick or unwell. Example, Noah, I am just a bit under the weather. Henry, thank you for watching. You should see a doctor. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.